Krishna, there is a new development now, a caveat being placed. This seems to be even done before any sort of a change has been put in place. So this is preemptive in that matter. How are you looking at this?
Yes, good afternoon. Actually, not entirely surprising because I'm just going to bring up a particular point that came up right after Mr. Tata's passing last year. So there was a resolution that was passed by the trustees saying that all appointments will be for life. But there's a bit of a condition attached to it saying that it had to be on the basis of unanimity, which means everybody has to be in favor of a reappointment. In the case of Mehli Mistry, once it came up, it was a 3-3, meaning you had three trustees in favor of it, three against it. So it got him in a very tricky situation. So we have to look at two factors here. One, to understand the sanctity of the unanimity clause that was passed last year, and therefore the options are left to Mehli Mistry at this point. So even if it was a 4-3 or it was a 4-2, Mehli would have still lost. The point is what is meant to be taken for granted in terms of being a lifetime trustee has suddenly gone under the scanner. To repeat myself, not entirely surprising that he's decided to take the legal route. He believes he's been wronged, and there's obviously a level of skepticism as far as the relationship between the trustees is concerned, something that all of us feared. We knew there's a bit of friction between the trustees. I think all that is coming out to the open now.
Okay, absolutely, Krishna. Is there any way that we can now feel that over the next 90 days, the time period that is given for any change to be, of course, given to the commissioner as well, because of this legal hearing, the matter will get elongated, and there could be also a chance that this reinstatement could also take place for Mehli Mistry, or he's done ousted for all?
No, I don't think he's ousted for all because if you go back and if there's a sanctity in the October 2024 resolution, the issue becomes very complicated. And I think he's obviously fighting for that. And there was a particular case where a trustee was appointed for life exactly a week before that. So Mistry believes that he's been wronged, and he's obviously gone to the charity commissioner with a case that he believes is kosher. But that said,
Absolutely.
given that it's straightforward, because to the trustees it appears to be an open and shut case, not to Mehli Mistry. So I think that disparity is what is creating a bit of a problem here.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.